Good morning class. Today we are going to study the last poem of your book that is in your syllabus. What if? Are there times when your mind fills with fear? It means many times it happens that your mind fills with fear. Some kind of certain fear. Have you ever thought, what if something dangerous happens to me or the people around me? What if the world stops revolving around the sun? What if the sun does not rise in the morning? So here is a poem which talks about some more such what ifs. It means in this poem you see that many conditions are given. Many conditions, it means those kind of condition we never imagined. Like कभी ऐसा हो कि पृथ्वी पर हवा बंद हो जाए, लाइक कभी ऐसा हो कि पृथ्वी पर जल समाप्त हो जाए, लाइक कभी ऐसा हो कि मतलब ऐसे इस तरीके के जो ख्याल आते हैं दिमाग में, तो ये ख्यालों के बारे में ही ऐसे ही कुछ ख्यालों को इस पोएम में क्या किया गया है, इंक्लूड किया गया है. सो यू सी इन द सेंट इन दिस पोएम वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इफ्स. Class, are you able to listen me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the poem, let me read it for you. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. Okay. So in this one, narrator is telling that when he was laying on his bed, मतलब जब वो लेटा हुआ था अपने बेड पर, so some kind of what ifs, मतलब इस तरीके की कुछ condition, इस तरीके का ख्याल, इस तरीके के thoughts, they have come in his mind. अब यहाँ क्या लिखा है? Crawled inside my ear, मतलब मेरे कान के अंदर घुस रहे थे. कान के अंदर घुसने का मतलब यहाँ पर कान का मतलब कान से नहीं है, यहाँ एयर का मतलब किससे है? दिमाग से है, ब्रेन से है. एंड pranced and partied all night long. pranced and partied मतलब मुझे वो सारे ख्याल क्या कर रहे थे? पार्टी में क्या होता है बच्चों? जो लाइट होती है, लाइट्स होती है, वो क्या करती हैं? क्या करती है? ट्विंकल करती है ना. तो वैसे ही जो वो अलग अलग डिफरेंट टाइप के थॉट्स थे, वो क्या कर रहे थे? मेरे दिमाग में बिजली के बल्ब की तरह बार बार क्या कर रहे थे? क्लिक ऑन ऑन ऑफ कर रहे थे. एंड sang their same old what if song. और वो क्या कर रहे थे? बार बार एक ही गाने को गा रहे थे. किस टाइप का सॉन्ग था? लेट्स सी दैट सॉन्ग. What if I am dumb in school? क्या होगा अगर मैं स्कूल में गूंगा हो जाऊं? What if they are closed the swimming pool? They have closed the swimming pool. क्या हो कि अगर स्विमिंग पूल बंद हो जाए, मतलब स्विमिंग पूल में मैं तैर रहा हूं और स्विमिंग पूल को कोई बंद करके चला जाए. What if I get beat up? मतलब कि कोई मुझे मारे. क्या हो अगर कोई मुझे मारे? What if there is a poison in my cup? क्या हो कि अगर मेरे कप में पॉइजन पड़ा हो? What if I start to cry? क्या होगा अगर मैं रोने लगूं तो? What if I get sick and die? क्या होगा अगर मैं बीमार हो जाऊं और मर जाऊं? What if I flunked that test? क्या हो कि अगर मैं टेस्ट में फेल हो जाऊं? What if green hair grows on my chest? क्या हो कि अगर कहीं मेरे जो चेस्ट है उस पर ग्रीन कलर के हेयर्स जमने लगे. ग्रीन कलर के हेयर्स जमने लगे. What if nobody likes me? क्या हो कि अगर कोई मुझे प्यार ना करे? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? क्या हो कि जो लाइटनिंग है, मतलब कि जो आसमान में जो बिजली कड़कती है वो मुझ पर आकर गिर जाए तो? What if I don't grow taller? It means I will remain the same on my height. Next, what if my head starts getting smaller? It means मेरा सर जो है उसका जो साइज है it is getting smaller, छोटा छोटा होने लग जाए. What if the fish won't bite? कि अगर क्या हो कि अगर जो फिश है वो काटे ही ना. ठीक है. What if the wind tears up my kite? क्या होगा अगर हवा मतलब विंड जो है वो मेरी काइट को क्या करे, तोड़ मरोड़ के बर्बाद कर दे। What if they start a war, मतलब कि क्या होगा यदि युद्ध छिड़ जाए। What if my parents get divorced, मतलब क्या होगा जब मेरे पेरेंट्स एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाए या उनके बीच में तलाक हो जाए। What if the bus is late, क्या होगा जब अगर बस लेट हो जाए मेरी। What if my teeth don't grow in straight, क्या हो कि अगर मेरे जो दांत हैं मतलब मेरे टीथ हैं वो स्ट्रेट में नहीं बल्कि टेढ़े मेढ़े उगने लगे। What if I tear my pants, क्या होगा अगर मेरी पैंट क्या हो जाए, फट जाए। What if I never learn to dance, क्या होगा अगर मैं कभी भी डांस करना नहीं सीख पाया। Everything seems swell and then the night time what if strikes again, मतलब इतने सारे थॉट्स आने के बाद वापस ये थॉट क्या हुए, oftenly they are repeating is the same from the above. It means these kind of thoughts were coming in the mind of the narrator. He is thinking about the situation after these circumstances happened. Like the first circumstance is given that the swimming pool, the first one that if the narrator is going to be dumb, if he will be dumb and he is not able to speak in the school, what will happen? Something very bad, something very great fear will come to think about that if you are speaking a lot and blabber and one day you are not able to speak that day what you will feel. So that kind of fear came in the mind of narrator. Next one, what will happen if the swimming pool will be closed and I will be there in the swimming pool. So that time what will happen? I will be crying and that kind of fear come in the mind of narrator. What if I get beat up? It means if somebody came and beat me up, what will happen? Obviously I will get injured and will get hurt. Next, what if there is a poison in my cup? It means obviously I will be I will kill myself and I will be no more because of the poison consumption. Next, what if I start to cry? It means if I will cry, that something many things will happen if I will cry. Like my mother and father can come to me and they may give me chocolates, or it also can happen that the father and mother will also beat me up. Why you are crying about it? Okay, and what is the thing why you are crying over it? Okay. What if I get sick and die? So next thought is that narrator is showing if he will be sick and die. What will happen after him? After him, what will happen to the family? Next, what if I flunk that test? It means I am going to fail in the test. What will happen? Next, what if green hairs grows on my chest? It means in the chest. Yes, it cannot happen that the green hairs come on the chest of some human. It is not possible. But if it happens, what will happen? If it happens and it is situated, what the situation will be, what will be the circumstances? Who is speaking? Kindly mute yourself.
मैम किसी का माइक अनम्यूट है।
Yes, I am seeing. Kindly mute yourself, children. Okay. Next thought is what if nobody likes me? It means next thought if he is also afraid that if nobody will like me, nobody will love me, what I will do? Because if I will get the hated from everyone, so that will be very bad for me. So this is also a morbid fear for the narrator. Next, what if a bolt of lightning strikes me? Obviously, I will be die. Okay. Next, what if I don't grow taller? It means I will remain the same. So I will become dwarf. I will become a dwarf. Next, what if my head starts getting smaller? It like my height is in some size and now it started getting smaller. So what it will be? मेरा सर छोटा हो जाएगा और बॉडी बड़ी हो जाएगी. So ऐसे इस टाइप के बड़े weird से उसके दिमाग में thoughts आ रहे हैं. Next है what if the fish won't bite? मतलब कि फिश जो है वो हमें काटे ना. मतलब किस तरीके से ना काटे? अगर हम फिश को पकड़ने जाए और फिश हमें काटे ही ना तो क्या होगा? बहुत अच्छा होगा. फिश हमें काटेगी भी नहीं तो हम आराम से फिश के ऊपर सैर करेंगे, फिश के ऊपर आराम से मौज करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्या है? What if the wind tears up my kite? It means if I am flying the kite and wind has torn my kite, that means I am not going to turn it, but the wind has torn up my kite. So this is very bad. It will be very bad for me. Okay. Next, what if they start a war? If everyone will start the war, then everyone will be died on the earth. What if my parents get divorced? Obviously, if the parents will get a divorce, there will be an imbalance in your life. What if the bus is late? The bus is late. Obviously, my bus will be lost, and if I will miss my bus, I will have to come to the home, or my parents will scold me. A lot of things will happen. Next, what if my teeth don't grow in straight? Obviously, I will look very ugly. Next, what if if I tear my pants? It means if my pants get torn, obviously the parents will scold me. Next, what if I never learn to dance? It means if I will not be able to dance, everyone will be shame on me. Everyone will be shame on me because I am not able to dance. So dance is a trait, that everybody should dance. At least a little. Everything seems swell, and then the night time whatever strikes again. So everything seems swell. Whenever I think about the thoughts, whenever the thoughts will come to me, I always get afraid because of these thoughts. तो मतलब मुझे सोच के भी डर लगता है कि अगर ऐसा मेरे साथ हो जाए तो क्या होगा. तो ऐसा लिख करके कुल मिलाकर हमारे नरेटर हमें बताना चाहते हैं कि इस तरीके के ख्याल जो है वो एक छोटे बच्चे के मन में आते हैं. If there is a small child, he thinks about these kind of weird situation, weird circumstances that will never happen. That will never happen in someone's life. But the poet, it means the narrator is thinking that because he knows that a small child can think any kind of situation by his mind, because he is quite innocent to know about these situations and circumstances. So class, by this way this poem has been done, and I will send you the question and answer of this chapter to you in your WhatsApp class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any concern about this chapter? You can ask to me.